Hi, my name is Katie Kane with Avenue Real Estate. See, I just wanted to let you know if you're a first-time home buyer in the market in Plymouth or the greater wide area of Sheboygan County, Manitowoc, or Calumet, please contact Avenue Real Estate. We specialize in the first-time home buyer process. We will get you lined up with a good lender who will be able to go over your financing options with you, and then partnered with them, we can find a property that meets the needs of your financing as well as what is important to you, because you're not just buying a home, you're buying a home that fits your lifestyle, and we take that into great detail when finding the property for you. And we also just try to make it as personalized as possible. So don't just click around on the internet and find some mysterious agent. Contact someone you can trust and who has the experience in mind when it's about you buying your first home. So we look forward to hearing from you. You can reach me directly at 920-980-9302. I look forward to hearing from you. Katie Kane of Avenue Real Estate.